Session 1. Grammar. Verb to be in the present simple, the affirmative form. I am. I am. Example, I am a pupil. You are. You are. Example, you are intelligent girl. We are. We are. We are friends. They are. They are. Example, they are my parents. He is. He is. He is a clever boy. She is. She is. She is my sister. It is. It is. It is good idea. I am. You, we. They are. He, she, it is. Goodbye.